Hey guys, today I'm showing the main problem with CCC, which is volume button issue. The problem is that the volume button isn't fixed anymore and it's shaking and it's like opened. It's a very common problem. A lot of people have asking me that how to fix it. It's very easy. On car you have to remove front cover, then you have to remove two screws here and here, and it's Torx 8 screwdriver you want to use. If you remove these two screws, just to remove the front panel, here is a flex cable which is very extremely to break, so be careful with that. From both side to side, open the small lock, which is shown here, from one side, from two side, pull it up and take out the flex cable. And also the flex cable is here. Here is the same thing. Normally it's closed, but carefully from side to side, pull it out, and then you can remove the flex cable. Here also a lot of screws, all you see, Torx 8, you have to remove them, and then you can remove the main board from front panel. Before you remove the front panel, remove the volume button knob. It's just pulling. So after doing that, you remove the main board. One click is here, and you have to pull it out. Here is one plug. You have to be careful with that. And then you can see already the problem. If you pull the volume button out, it's broke, maybe broke by knee or something in car, mechanically broke. So it can be fixed by changing the whole system here, the plastic, which is not available on market that easy. But if you remove the plastic, as you can see, then you can easily fix the thing. All you have to do is put the plastic into the place. There is 6 corners which are holding the potentiometer in the place, and by soldering iron you can just heat the plastic back. Be careful with that, because if you overheat it, the potentiometer isn't in correct place anymore. But if you do it carefully, it holds very good in place. So all you have to do is with heat gun, with the iron gun or iron soldering, you just push a bit into every corner of the plastic and make a double ring to fix it into the place. Hopefully the video shows good where things are going. Here, just with normal soldering gun. Not too much heat, but enough to heat it and lock it. While you're doing this, this side is also thing you have to care about, not to touch it with the iron, otherwise it's it's closing. And if the job is done, the volume button stays in place, and here you can see the screw. You maybe need to tighten a bit the screw. Sometimes it's open, and if you have done that, just put it back into the place, and you can push the volume back carefully, and it stays, not shaking anymore, which is very easy to fix. All you have to do is taking care of the flex cables, and don't rush too much, because if you miss something, the CCC unit also might not get work. So if you put it back together, watch the connector is connected, and also the buttons of eject are in place, and okay. So it's done. You have to put back the screws and put back the flexes, and the repairment is done without changing the volume button, because the volume button itself is okay. And it's very easy fix. But if you don't know exactly how to do it, or if you don't know what you are doing, then probably give it to somebody who can have knowledges how to fix things, and pay a bit money for that, and it will be fixed for you. And if all screws, of course, don't forget them, are mounted, then just put the front panel back. It's not going that easy. You have to be a bit patient with that. Be careful with it. And then you can put back the screw, and it's done. Oops. Didn't take it. Anyway, the volume button is fixed now, and all is good. So this little tutorial hopefully helps, and you can save a bit money. Thank you for watching, and I will keep update my CCC repairment.